And we're back to our Learning Through Play episode for kids, and we got two activities. First, a craft stick and number sequencing puzzle. Start by lining up all your craft sticks side by side. Draw or print pictures your kids like. Here I have Ambulance and her favorite cartoon character, which is Stitch. Glue the pictures evenly across the stick so it covers the whole surface. Then, write the numbers on each stick from 1 up to however many sticks you use, like this. Then, cover it with sellotape. You can either do this after gluing it to your craft sticks or before gluing it, like this. The purpose is to make it more sturdy. Cut in between the sticks using cutter. Once the picture is cut apart, mix up all the sticks together and let your kids put them back in order by following the numbers. It's a creative way to teach number sequencing and problem solving while improving their fine motor skills. And if you like and learning to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more learning through play activities. Now, let's make our friendly caterpillar sequencing activity. Start by drawing several circles to form the caterpillar's body. Inside each circle, write the number in order and decorate the head with eyes and big smiles. Then, laminate each circle to make it reusable. Then, cut around the edges like this. This fun caterpillar activity helps kids learn counting and sequencing while boosting their hand-eye coordination and creativity. Next is to add Velcro at the back and in front at the side so the pieces can stick together and be rearranged easily. To play, mix up the circles and let your kids arrange them from head to tail in the correct number order.
Yeah! Oh, lagay mo dito. Dikit mo dito. Ayan, oh.